Hello welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open WordPad using that command. So guys, if you want to open WordPad using that command, so very easy. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type, Windows key plus R key type here WordPad, WORDPAD. Click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very easy. Once again, firstly Windows key plus R key type and type here WordPad. Click on OK. So guys, this is very easy and simple method if you want to open WordPad using that command. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest video, and please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.